St. Thomas English Medium Higher Secondary School, Class 4th, Subject Computer by Richa Garg. Hello students, I welcome you all to this classroom. In this chapter, chapter number 2, Input and Output Devices, we will study input device and output device. Many of you have seen a computer. Many of you play games and do your homeworks on it. Can you name the parts that you have seen in a computer? You have seen a keyboard and a mouse through which you enter data into the computer. You have even seen a monitor which display the output. Children, you also have seen a cabinet which has a central processing unit, that is a CPU, we call it as a, through which you process the data. Children, you may have also seen a printer, a scanner, a microphone, etc. connected to your computer. Children, devices like the keyboard and the mouse, which helps you to enter data into the computer, are called input devices. Devices like the monitor and the printer through which you see the output are called output devices. Input and output devices are together called computer peripherals. Children, when we take input devices and output devices together, we call that as a computer peripherals, children. Now, children, let's study about various input and output devices in details. Let's start with the input device first. Input devices. The devices through which we enter data and instructions into a computer are called input devices. Some of the common input devices are keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, light pen, scanner, web camera, digital camera, and microphone. Children, these are some of the input devices. Let's study about them in detail. Let's start with first keyboard. Children, this is a keyboard. A keyboard is the most commonly used input device. A keyboard has keys similar to that of a typewriter. Some extra keys like function keys are available for various operations. Keyboard is used to enter data or text into the computer. This is the work of a keyboard. Now children, let's move to mouse. Mouse, children. A mouse is also a commonly used input device. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons that can perform different functions. The scroll wheel act as a third button. The mouse can be clicked, double-clicked, or right-clicked to perform various tasks. A mouse is used to select object and text and to draw pictures on a computer. This is the work of a mouse. Trackball. Children, a trackball is similar to a mouse and can be used in its place. A trackball has a ball on the top which is rolled with a finger to move the pointer on the screen. So children, this is the work of a trackball. Now children, let's talk about a joystick. Children, this is a joystick. Children, you might have used a joystick while playing games on a computer. A joystick is used to move object or the pointer on the screen. Although a keyboard can also be used for the same purpose. Joystick make it easier by providing better control. So this is a work of a joystick. Now children, let's move to light pen. Children, this is a light pen. A light pen is used for drawing object directly on the screen. A light pen can be used to select an object on the screen by simply pointing at it. A light pen is mostly used by engineer, architect or designers. So children, this is the work of a light pen. Now children, let's talk about scanner. Children, this is a scanner. A scanner allows you to scan or transfer photos, hand draw pictures or text into your computer. This is a work of a scanner. Now children, let's move to web camera. This is a web camera. A web camera or a webcam is a camera attached to a computer. Some laptops have built-in webcams. A webcam can take a series of images which can be viewed on a computer. These images can then be transferred through the internet to another user. A webcam is most commonly used for video chatting and video conferencing. This is a work of a web camera. Now children, let's move to digital camera. Children, this is a digital camera. A person is using a digital camera. A digital camera or a digicam is a camera that takes still photographs in digital form, and many nowadays also take video with sound. A photo taken in digital form can be viewed and printed immediately. A digital camera has a special screen called a liquid crystal display, that we call it as a LCD screen, to view images. A digital camera stores the images in a small memory device. This image can also be transferred into the computer. This is a work of a digital camera. Now children, let's move to microphone. Children, this is a microphone. A microphone is used to input and record voice, sound, and music into a computer. This is a work of a microphone, children. Now, children, did you understand this much? Devices. Now, children, what is output devices? Output devices means devices through which we see the output from the computer are called output devices. Children, there are some of the output devices are there. Let's see that. Monitor, speaker, headphone, projector, printer. Children, these are the some of the output devices. Let's talk about them. So let's start with monitor first. This is a monitor. A monitor is the most commonly used output device. It is also called a visual display unit, that is VDU. A monitor is similar to a TV screen and can display both text and pictures. The output that we get on a monitor is called the soft copy. This is the work of a monitor. Now children, let's move to speaker. Children, this is a speaker. Speakers are used to play music and sound for a computer, from a computer. Now children, let's move to headphones. Children, this is a headphones. Headphones are also called earphones. They are used to listen to sounds or music from the computer without other people hearing it. A headphones with a microphone attached to it is called a handset. Now children, let's move to projector. Children, this is a projector. Projector display the output on a screen. The screen can be a whiteboard, a white cloth, or even a plain white wall. A projector is used for classroom teaching, giving presentation, and for many other way we are using projector. Now children, let's move to printer. Children, this is a printer. A printer delivers the output on the paper. The printed copy that we get from the printer is called the hard copy. Printers are of many types like dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. So these are the types of printer. Now children, let's move to open your textbook and let's move to page number 20. Question in the blanks with the correct words. A dash devices help you to enter data into the computer. So what will come children? Input. Input devices help you to enter data into the computer. Now children, next question. B devices through which you see the output are called dash devices. Output devices. C1. A dash has a ball on the top which is rolled with the finger to move the pointer on the screen. So what will come children? Trackball. A trackball has a ball on the top which is rolled with the finger to move the pointer on the screen. Now let's move to D1. A dash takes a series of images which can be viewed on the computer and transferred through the internet. So what will come children? Web camera. A web camera takes a series of images which can be viewed on the computer and transferred through the internet. Now let's move to E1. A dash is used to input and record voice, sound and music into a computer. So what will come children? Microphone. A microphone is used to input and record voice, sound and music into a computer. Now children, let's move to next question. Question number 2. Write T for the true statement and F for the false one. A1. A keyboard is a pointing device. Wrong. A keyboard is not a pointing device. Now let's move to second one. B. You can transfer pictures taken by the digital camera into a computer? True. Now let's move to C1. A monitor is called a video? True. Let's move to D1. The output on the monitor is called hard copy? False. The output on the monitor is called the soft copy children. Okay. Now let's move to E1. A speaker is used to play music and sound for a computer? True. Children, now let's move to question 3. Question 3. Who am I? A. I have my keys. Who am I children? Keyboard. B1. I have 2 or more buttons on me. I can be clicked or double clicked. Who am I children? Mouse. C1. I am generally used to play games on a computer. Who am I children? Joystick. Now children, let's move to D1. I am used to draw directly on the screen. Who am I children? Light pen. Let's move to E1 children. I read and scan text and pictures directly into a computer. Who am I? Scanner. A scanner is the thing which can read and scan text and picture directly into a computer. This is the work of a scanner. Now children, let's move to question 5th. Fifth, choose the correct options. A1. Which one is not a pointing device? 1. Mouse. 2. Joystick. 3. Light pen. 4th. Keyboard. What will come children? 4th. Keyboard. Keyboard is not a pointing device. So children, click on the 4th option, keyboard. Now children, let's move to B1. Which one is not an input device? 1. Web camera. 2. Digital camera. 3. Keyboard. 4th. Printer. So children, 4th. Printer. Printer is not an output device. So children, tick on the 4th one, printer. Now children, let's move to C1. Which one is not an output device? 1. Printer. 2. Speaker. 3. Microphone. 4th. Video. So, third, microphone. Microphone is not an output device. So, children, tick on the third one, microphone. Now children, let's move to D1. It can take a series of images and transfer them through the internet. 1 web camera, 2 scanner, 3rd printer, 4th digital camera. So what will come children? First, web camera. A web camera can take a series of images and transfer them through the internet. Okay children? Now let's move to E1. The output from a printer is called what children? 1 hard copy, 2 soft copy, 3 images, 4th result. So 1 hard copy. So the output from the printer is called the hard copy. So children, take on the first one.